Hi, I am your guide today. So first, you need to draw a circle which is not too big. After that you need to draw a line passing through almost the center and at an angle. This all is just for the measurements, and after some practice, you won't need them. Draw a circle exactly in the center of the eye. Do not make it too big or too small. After drawing the circle, we need to draw the pupil at the center of the circle. You can also add a reflection to make it even more realistic. Now we need to draw a base in the circle to make next steps a little easier. This is the part where we start the shading, make the edges dark and the center a little light. Now we need to draw a wobbly pattern in a circle that will make the eye look much more realistic. After making the wobbly lines, we need to draw straight lines coming from the pupil towards the wobbly lines. Now you need to draw arrow type of drawing starting from the edge of the circle and coming towards the wobbly lines. We also need to make these arrow type drawings black for realism. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the most difficult part of the drawing. Now we just need to do shading in the whole eye. We also need to draw a lid above the eye and below the eye. We will also make eyelashes. Just see and follow.
True.